My name is Sergio Suarez Jr. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Tackle AI. I started Tackle AI because I saw a problem that nobody was really solving. It always felt like they were skirting around the issue. So people would zone documents, or they would take documents and pre-learn what they all were. And what frustrated me was, as a human, I could look at a document and I could see where the information was. Why hasn't anybody replicated that yet? And the more I looked for a solution, and the more I tried to find open source things, or I tried to work with different companies, the more I realized it just wasn't really done. And if it was done, it wasn't done properly, or it was exaggerated. I wanted to create something real, something that people could use every day, that wouldn't require large amounts of training, or wouldn't require an insane amount of work just to start using. And that's what we did at Tackle AI. We don't really ever follow anybody. We invent. And by inventing our stuff, we understand how all of our technology works. So we invent and we succeed. One of our things that really gets us going is when somebody says, hey, well, that's not possible. I always like to end it with, well, yet. That's kind of been the driving force behind the entire company, is constantly people saying, well, that thing that you're trying to do is impossible. It's not possible because no one's tried to do it yet. There's techniques and there's things that are out there and they become standard. And a lot of times people can become very complacent with, well, this is how you do this. And this problem is a lot more complicated. There is no repository somewhere that you're going to be able to go download and magically you're going to discover information in a 4,000 page document. It had to be invented. And the stuff that people told us was impossible 3 years ago, we're doing it today. That's the culture, that's the sort of ambition that we're going to continue with for years to come. The core of our company is the culture and our team. And we try to focus a lot on trying to hire people that are highly creative, people that really like challenges, because at our company, that's what we do. We come in every day and new problems kind of been given to us. And usually it's in the impossible realm. So we sit down, we get in front of a whiteboard, and we make the impossible possible. AI has always almost gotten there. It was 80% of the way there, or it was 75% of the way there. It's that last 20% where we live. That getting it from that 80% to that 99 or 100% accuracy is kind of where we like to live and how we like to work. We are Tackle AI, and we're the logical solution.